Today is the day. It's the start of my 3-day staycation. I do this every year right around my birthday. And on day one, it's all about getting this all put together so that we can get it in the car. So step one, I wheeled out our transmission here. If I haven't mentioned it before, this is a 5-speed out of a 300ZX, the non-turbo model. Got an adapter plate that'll bolt this right up to the LS engine. And this works really just as well as a T56, but significantly less expensive. So we'll go ahead, we'll get this cleaned up. I think it'll work out really well. And then from there, we'll start putting together the clutch, flywheel, the adapter, and anything else that's needed to get this connected to the engine and then in the car. Okay, so the next thing I'm working on is just pulling off like this old cross-member mount and just some of these other doodads here. I've got to go ahead and adapt this to relocate the shifter. So I've got this relocation kit from LOJ, and we'll just go ahead and keep working on that. Alright, so up next, open up some more goodies. We got the ARP flywheel bolts, very important. And then also we've got our clutch kit and the transmission adapter with the flywheel. So for clutch, I went with another competition clutch. Always had good luck with these guys. They make some great clutches. So box number 2 is from G-Force. It's our adapter plate and flywheel. Got a bunch of hardware, paper, pilot bearing. This looks like the Here's our nice, awesome looking adapter plate. That'll do great. And finally, we got our nice, heavy flywheel. All right, made in USA. That's cool too. Ugh. Okay, up next is just getting the, I've got the pilot bushing pressed in, and now we can go ahead and get the flywheel on. So if you're working by yourself and you need to stop the flywheel from moving, here's the trick. Thread a nice long bolt into the block here, and then get your open-ended wrench, thread another bolt into the flywheel like so, and now this wrench is going to keep it from turning. Alright, so we've had a bit of a setback in all of my parts ordering spree. I didn't realize that I wasn't going to be getting pressure plate bolts, and I quickly thought about doing a hardware store run and just throwing some hardware store bolts in there, but the more I thought about it, It's just not an area that I want to take that risk or skim. You know, and I don't think it would happen, but just to be safe, if there is a fastener failure here, that's, you know, this thing spinning several thousand times, and that could be dangerous potentially. So I've gone ahead and I've ordered some ARP pressure plate bolts to match the flywheel bolts. They will be here tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow, and tomorrow's my birthday, so hopefully I get a nice little birthday present from ARP tomorrow. We'll get those pressure plate bolts together, we'll get the clutch installed, the transmission on, and if everything else goes okay, or in other words, if nothing else goes wrong, we will be able to achieve the goal of getting the engine in the car on my birthday. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and shift gears, pardon the pun intended. I'm gonna go ahead and shift gears and just do a little bit of engine bay cleanup, some cleanup around the shop, and call it a day for Monday afternoon. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.